Are you having problems with add mention option not showing on your Instagram and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because actually me myself, I had the exact same problem before, and I'm going to show you exactly how I was able to fix it. So basically what I did firstly was that I opened up my Instagram app, as you can see, and then I come to my profile right here. And then what I did on this page right here is that I firstly clicked on the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines. And as you can see, you should now be taken to a page very similar to this. Now in here, what you're going to do is to just simply scroll down in here. And you're going to click where it says help in here, so click on help. Now you're going to actually click on report a problem, and then once again, click on report a problem. Click on include and continue, and now you need to write like this to the support to be able to fix this problem. I am having issues with add mentions not showing. I need this to be fixed. So this is basically what you need to write. I am having issues with add mentions not showing. I need this to be fixed. So click on send in the top right corner. Now what you're going to do, you're just going to wait about 24 to 48 hours for the Instagram support to be able to see that you have actually written this to them. And hopefully after about 1 to 2 business days, this will be fixed for you. So try this, and hopefully now it's going to be working for you as well.